Take a bite, feel the taste. I pour cold water into the mixer. I add the Poolish fresh yeast, flour, and salt, and then mix everything together. I mix until a uniform, smooth dough forms. The dough temperature should not exceed 25 degrees Celsius during mixing. I shape the finished dough into a ball and place it in a container. The dough should double in volume. After 1.5 hours, I remove the dough from the container, fold it several times, and shape it into a ball again. Once it doubles in volume again, I transfer it to a lightly floured work surface. I dust the dough with flour and divide it into equal portions, in my case, 9 rolls. First, I shape all portions into balls and then lightly roll them. I let the shaped rolls rest for 20 minutes. After this time, I dust the rolls with flour and use the blunt edge of a knife or my fingers to form a split in the middle. I place the rolls upside down. I dust them with flour again and transfer them to a baking tray lined with parchment paper. I cover them with a damp cloth and leave them to rise for about 1 hour. After this time, I gently turn the rolls back to the correct side. You can also gently adjust the split in the rolls. I bake the rolls at 230 degrees Celsius, top and bottom heat, for about 25 to 30 minutes. At the bottom of the oven, I pour hot water or place a bowl with boiling water, which I remove after 15 minutes. The rolls should have a dark brown color.